Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inie and I'm here today with another video. I'm going to be making ackee and saltfish. Yeah, Jamaican ackee and saltfish. But guys, before we get into this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now there goes the ackee. And we're gonna put up, this is a saltfish, we're gonna put them all together. But I like to wash my saltfish, get off some of the salt, and then I like to boil my saltfish twice. So I'm going to give it a little wash and then I'm gonna boil it. Pouring off the first water now, and then I'm gonna get some fresh water, boil it a second time. I'm putting in a piece of thyme and some pimento seed. I'm going to bring this to a boil and then I'm going to add my ackee. Now that this has come to a boil, I'm going to be adding in my ackee. And let cook until it is tender. I don't know how you guys like your ackee, if you like it very soft or very solid, but I like my ackee to be like in between solid and mushy. That's how I like my ackee. And since the saltfish was boiling for a while, I'm gonna take it out and just get that cleaned up, taking out the scales and removing all the bones. Go ahead and remove the pimento from the ackee. Preparing my seasoning, guys. This is tomato, I have green pepper, onion, and I have a little piece of hot pepper. Now in this pan, I'm going to combine all of my ingredients, a little oil, a little vegetable oil, my onions, my tomatoes, and the green pepper, a little piece of hot pepper as well. Give that a little stir, and you're gonna cover it and let it simmer just to get the stuff tender. Now my little seasoning has finished sauteed. Now I'm gonna put my saltfish in. Give that a little mix around, mixing. And then I'm gonna put my ackee. Yeah, the time of truth is almost here. Sprinkling some black pepper. This is the texture I'm talking about. Not too solid, but not too soggy, too mushy. This is my ackee and saltfish right here. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend about my channel. And see you in the next video. Bye.